Hello beautiful souls, Kim Crystal here and welcome to today's video. I'm so excited because we will be making this beautiful pastel rainbow Tumblr inspired Dreamcatcher. It's so much fun to make and I love how it's turned out. Don't forget to give this video a big like, and if you're new, subscribe down below. I have a whole bunch of DIY tutorials and Dreamcatcher tutorials on my channel and I would love for you guys to check it out. You guys can comment down below on any tutorials you would like to see. We would love to hear from you. It's a really fun way we can all interact with each other and share some awesome ideas. I also make a whole bunch of custom made Dreamcatchers, so you guys can check out the Instagram over here. We have a website where you guys can purchase a custom made Dreamcatcher and I would love to make a custom order for you. And without further delay, let's jump right into today's video. So first up we're going to wrap the hoops. So I've just got a plain hoop here and I'm going to take a thick yarn like this and I'm going to tie a knot at the top of the hoop, and then all I'm going to do is wrap the yarn around the hoop. So you're just going to wrap it in a circle just to cover the hoop. Now you guys can do this as many or as few times as you would like. To give it more thickness you might do like 3 rounds of the yarn, but it's very time consuming, so I'm going to go sit on the couch, put on a movie and wrap this and come back and show you guys how it looks. Super simple, just wrap it right around. All you're going to have to do is just this round motion like this, and that's all. So I'll see you in the next step. So to wrap the hoop, all I've done is tie a triple knot to the hoop, and on my string I just have a few beads that I've threaded through. You guys have commented on wanting to know how to put the beads in the Dreamcatcher, so I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it. This is probably the best way to do it for beginning. So all you have to do is make sure you've got some rope and then just pull this down and just kind of secure the beads the best you can, or else they're just going to get in the way while you're weaving because they can be very annoying to work with. But we will try and be patient. So to start your first loop, you have to pull the string down, around and through, and then just pull it over where you did a knot, just like that. We're going to do it again, down, around and through, and down, around and through, and down, around and through. So just keep holding your beads because they are going to get in the way if you don't manage them. So every few rounds you're going to have to pull the beads downwards and wrap them.
Our hero claims the warrior's heart. I'll tell you, the dragonborn comes.
To begin the next round, we're going to go through the loop we just created. So we're going to pull down, around, and then just come through, and then just pull it down. I am going to do a different web technique for this Dreamcatcher, so if you would like to see a basic Dreamcatcher web tutorial, which is a lot easier, just check out a link over here. I'll put it up for you guys so you can find that video. And this one's a little bit more complicated, but you should be okay with it. So down, around and through, and then down, around and through, and then just do this for 1 round. So when I mean 1 round, I mean here's where you started and just go once, and then I'll show you what to do from there.
With a voice wielding power of the ancient North.
So now that we've done 1 round, we are going to do a different web technique. I promise you guys it's a lot easier, like once you get the hang of it, it's not complicated. So now you're just going to take this loop you have here and just loop it through, and then you're going to take the little loop you made here, and you're just going to loop that through, and you're not doing any crossovers, don't pull it too tight, and just keep doing this movement. The key with this is not to rush, to take your time and to actually just see what you're doing step by step. Don't worry about it too much of the big picture. Just do step by step and you will get there. In a way, a Dreamcatcher's web is a lot like life, where the web's thread represents your core values and what you stand for. If you don't have a strong thread, your web will eventually fall apart. If you have a strong thread, your web won't snap and stand the test of time. Each loop is symbolic for your daily habits and activities. The best you can do is to focus on each loop at a time, work on your web bit by bit so you don't get overwhelmed. Be patient, and in the end you'll have a beautiful web that you have created. Just take your time, go step by step, and you'll get through it. So if at any time you would like to add a bead, all you have to do is get to your beads. Then you can take one and simply drop it and then just continue weaving. I'm going to wait a little bit longer. Actually, I might just put that there so I can show you. So all you have to do is just keep going, like just keep, and it will kind of just sit there. So yeah, just keep weaving and you'll be fine. I'm going to time lapse it now, so it's going to go really fast, but you're doing the same thing all the way to the center. When you get to the middle, just pull it tight and tie a double knot. I'm going to leave a gap in mine because I want to hang a crystal down, which is going to be really cool. So I'll quickly time lapse it, and yeah, I'll be back in a second.